In this video we're going to demonstrate how to do a simultaneous capture from SDI and IP. A typical use case would be if you've got an encoder you want to test. You've got a live feed coming into that encoder. You send that same live SDI signal into the ClearView system, and then the IP output from the encoder will also be captured by the ClearView system and decoded over the IP network. So we're currently in 1080p 50 format. We are in 10-bit. We're going to select the MPEG input and configure it. And if I click config, you can see I've got a UDP multicast and port number. I've got a local IP address on the ClearView that's looking for that stream. I click apply, and we can see that we have a 1080p 50 HEVC 420 10-bit video coming in, stream coming in. It's important to make sure that you set the target format to be the same video format as the SDI. Okay, and now I'm going to give that a sequence name for when it gets recorded. I'm going to call it encoder output. Okay, now I'm going to go configure the SDI input and config. I've got SDI 1 connected. It's 1080p 50, 1080p 50, 10-bit. I'm going to call that encoder input. And now it's important, I'm going to click sync IP. So now it's going to capture IP at the same time as SDI. So I just click preview, starting up the IP input. Okay, there's the SDI source. And wait a second, we'll see there's a delay to the output of the encoder, the IP output. The ClearView is decoding using FFmpeg decoders. I could just click record and just start recording and click stop when I want to. I'm going to go ahead and type in 1000 frames. Record. So we're recording both SDI and IP. There's the IP. Here's the SDI. It's ahead, see? Okay, that's because of the delay through the encoder. Okay, just about done with 1000 frames. Okay, done. Got two new thumbnails, two new sequences. Just going to hit reset. I'm going to put encoder input into A. Click side by side. Encoder output into B. I click play. And we can see that the left side, the source video, is ahead of the right side temporally. Well, in order to measure them, we have to temporally align them. I click temporal align. Now they're aligned. Now I can run any measurement on them that I want. Just do a quick PSNR. There we go. So again, you configure the MPEG input first or second, either way around. If you did the SDI first, then it already is clicked sync broadcast board. Okay, we go back to SDI and notice now it's saying encoder input 1. This one's saying encoder output 2. Okay, so that's how you capture SDI and IP simultaneously in ClearView.